Hello new eCognition user and welcome. I'm going to show you quickly how to create a project. First of all, please open eCognition Developer and I'm going to show you two ways how to create a project. First one's going to be drag and drop. Second one's going to be using an interface. So you can simply drag and drop the files into eCognition Developer just like that. You can use the file that is provided. It's a Sentinel-2 file, and you see we have data in our project. 4 layers. I'm gonna adjust the stretch down here. Standard deviation usually gives me a good representation. You can change the band combinations up here. Any combination is possible. Near infrared looks nice. I'm gonna even increase the stretch here. Standard deviation factor to decrease it to 2. That's gonna stretch it even more. And yes, just go wild and enjoy looking at your data set. You also can look at the single layers, grayscale, and go through your stack here. Also with the 3-band combination, you can do 4-band combination, 10-band combination, whatever you want. However, the default naming is layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer N. But I know and I want to know in my project which layer is which. So I'm simply going to rename those here to blue, green, red and near infrared. So I exactly know which layer he is referencing to the input band. And you also can change the order here easily. That would be loading data and creating a project. Last thing we have to do is save the project using the save button up here. Give it a name, save it somewhere where you're going to find it again. And that's already it. So I'm going to leave the default name, new project, save it in the folder where I have my data set, so I'm going to find it again. I'm going to close the project here, the second X up here. And the cool thing is now that you also can use drag and drop using the project file. Just going to open the folder. The project file is a DPR file. Drag and drop it, and you have your project open. Second approach, using the interface, just click this button. It's going to ask you where is your file. I'm going to navigate to the same file I used for drag and drop, hit OK. You see here, again, the 4 bands. First of all, I'm going to give my project a name. You can call it whatever you like. I'm going to call it my first project. And the renaming can be done here right away when you use this interface. If you forget to do it here, you also can do it afterwards. That's not a problem. Hit OK, and there you go. Same result as using drag and drop. I'm just gonna quickly change the order here again of my layers. Adjust the stretch. Good. Save it, and it's gonna save it automatically with the project name. There you go. Creating a project done. Congratulations.